So in this video, we will see Docstring in Python. So here you can see Docstring. So Docstring is nothing but it is detail of function we define, or it is a detail of a function, built-in function, details of a built-in function and detail of defined function. So what is the detail? Like what this function will do, like it will greet someone and it will ask for name and it will convert string into list and it will sum all the numbers in a string. It will return frequency of elements in list. So this is the dot action, nothing but just giving the detail, just defining the detail of function, what this function will do. So how to define it? Just this is simple. So how to define docstring? How to define docstring? So just do that. So it is my function def. My function is to greet someone. Great. So if you want to define a docstring of function, so just here you have to pass after defining a function. So first line will be your docstring if you comment this out. So just here you comment the it hash, then pass what this function will do. So it will greet someone. So it will greet someone. It will what it will do? It will greet someone. So it is my docstring. So just say print hello. I get hello is my greeting, and then print how are you? How are you? How are you? This is my function, and this is the docstring of function. It is nothing but detail of function, what the function will do. So just execute it, and now call the function. Great. Now it will print hello, how are you? And if I want to see what this function will do, so great, then question mark. Then why it is not showing docstring here? So for this, we have to check why it is not working. So just do this. So actually here you have to define function docstring in triple quotes. So just take it into triple quotes. So it is now in triple quotes because defining a function what it will do can be multi-line command. So that's why here it is more convenient that we use multi-line command. So it will greet someone and then ask for age. This is this is my function docstring what this function will do. Now execute this and then execute this, then great. Now you can see docstring. Here you can see docstring. So it is the detail of functions. So what it will do? It will create someone and then ask for age. So this is about the docstring in Python. In next video, we will see parameters and argument of function in Python. So meeting you in next video.